Hey everyone, let's explore the Apollo Meteor scooter, designed for both speed and daily convenience. This kick scooter arrives fully assembled, so you can start riding it right out of the box. You can make every adjustment without tools and use the included strap for carrying it conveniently anywhere. Expert German engineering and aircraft-grade aluminum ensure that this durable frame lasts you a lifetime. The XXL light-up wheels provide a smooth ride while keeping you visible during your evening travels. Zip across town fast and safely to save time while avoiding stressful traffic on your daily commute. Experience the freedom of this certified scooter and reclaim your valuable time with your loved ones today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.